This is what hard work looks like. No downtime, no surprises, no flat tires. Thanks to the Michelin X Tweel airless radial tire, the Michelin X Tweel delivers outstanding operator comfort without the usual bounce from pneumatic tires. Its deep, open tread gives you excellent traction and lasts 2 to 3 times longer than pneumatic tires. There's no need for complex mounting equipment. With the Michelin X Tweel, you get an airless tire and wheel all in one package. All you have to do is bolt and go. Utility vehicles need to handle heavy loads while also offering a comfortable ride, both on smooth terrain and, well, not so smooth terrain. Now they can with the X Tweel. The Michelin X Tweel delivers excellent side hill performance, a smooth ride, and a consistent deck height for even cuts. And thanks to airless technology, the days of unseated beads and flat tires on zero-turn radius mowers are over. With no air, there's no need to monitor air pressure, no need for spare tires, and no need for repair kits. You get excellent traction and long wear life. From sod to swing, the Michelin X Tweel can improve productivity on any job site. Find the right Tweel for your job site at tweel.michelinman.com.